Hi guys, it's Tokyo Soda Pop. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a villain-inspired makeup glam look in my own creation. But yeah, I'm gonna try to talk through it. I like to play music when I do my makeup, so just stick with me, guys. And let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, we're gonna try probably the flirty ones. I'm not a fan of lashes. I might be the girl that's just gonna use mascara in school because this has been the worst trial of fails. Me trying eyelashes. So here we go. If they don't work for me, look, we're just gonna throw on some. If they don't work out for me, we're just gonna throw on some round Fenty and look, and then we're gonna call it a day. So here we go. Wish me luck. Oh, here we go. Pray for me. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. inspired look. Pray for me on these lashes. I am struggling. I just can't deal with the lashes. I'm learning. I'm trying to be patient. I feel like I'm going blind every time I make a mistake. I'm gonna do more of these kind of makeup inspired looks. You know, it's fun to me. You know, I just get inspired by so many different things. I am on a journey to become a drag queen. So guys, I will be putting that on my channel. Something you don't know about me is I'm funny, so you're gonna get a lot of skits and it's just a lot of vlogging. And guys, thanks for watching my video.